All right, everyone. It looks like it's time for another one of those short but very important weeks, as this week we're going to be finishing off Chapter 7 with Section 7.4, where we will be looking at the z-test procedure adapted to proportions. So that's really all it's going to be, is z-testing for proportions, where this is a similar flavor to things we did at the end of Chapter 6, and the things we did at the end of Chapter 5, assuming you did the extra credit for Chapter 5, or planning to, haven't yet, in which case I used the wrong tense, but well, hopefully you get at least part of the idea for what I meant there. We're finishing off Chapter 7 here because we're heading into our third exam. Exam over Chapters 5 through 7, which means Chapters 5 through 7 are going to be due in my lab by Wednesday, albeit I might give you a couple extra days there like I have before to balance the gradebook and all of that, so just bear it in mind, but please finish that on original timing. It makes my life easier, it makes your life easier. Everything is better if you do your work on time. It's strange how that happens. But anyway, you've got that. There's going to be a study guide in there somewhere, but I'm not going to put it up on the board right now because hopefully you're aware of how those things work. And then from there, you have your exam. Exam 3. Usually, it's the hardest exam in the class, and it's not at all abnormal for students to have come in really well prepared for the first two, slack off a little bit in the third, lose track of things over the course of the weeks we've had working on this stuff, and slip up a fair bit on this one. So please take your time preparing and make sure you're ready for this one by Friday. And then after that, we had another pre-assessment due on Monday night to help us get into our last unit. Finish off in the swing of things, as it were. So, let's get Chapter 7, and accordingly, Unit 3 finished off with Section 7.4.